This is a must-have for anybody who's RVing. This is a dehumidifier, and we haven't been here in Florida for that long, and I'm going to show you exactly how much water this thing has had. This is just a couple of days in our RV, and it's January. It's not even the middle of summer or anything like that. Look how much water this thing has. This is a must-have if you RV. One of the leading causes to damage inside your RV is moisture, and one way you can control that moisture is with a dehumidifier like this. Now this thing is extremely quiet, extremely silent. You won't even realize that it's there, but look how much water this thing got. Imagine that being in your RV or in your wood or anything else. It can do a lot of damage. Must have.